Hello everyone, so welcome to our today's lesson. So today's lesson we are going to learn about how we can simplify the numbers. In short, we want to learn how to simplify and factorize some of the algebra maths problem. So if you know how to work it out, then this video is for you. Still, if you don't know, so this one is still the video for you to get to learn something. So if you already a new person to visit this channel, please remember to subscribe. So if you are a member of this channel, please just remember to like the video. Please don't scroll this video, and I urge you people to watch till the end, because if you watch halfway, then you might not get some of the concepts correct. So let's learn something and start. So let's begin with the solution. So we have 6x squared plus 35x minus 6. So how are we going to simplify this maths problem? So this one is how we are going to simplify it. So let's start with the solution. So now we shall have our solution there. So, and we say we have 6x squared plus 35x minus 6. So the first thing that you're going to do, we are going to find the solution for 6x squared. So 6x squared can also be written this way. So we can have 6, then we have x, then into bracket x. So that means that we have 6x multiplied by x will give us 6x squared. Then addition sign, so we put our addition sign. So we need to look for a number that when we multiply by 6 give us 35x. Now such number is not there, because even when you try 6 times 7 it will give you 42. When you try 6 times 6 it will give us 36, but at least 36 is closer to 35. So meaning that we shall pick that 6 for the meantime, and then we say that x plus 6. So that 6x plus 6 will give us what is called 36. I'll explain why we have chosen this one. So into bracket. So now we are moving to the next. So remember, now we have 6x times 6, that is 36x. So we need 1, so that we can do what? We can less it. So meaning that this one shall be, so minus 1 into bracket x, because minus 1 multiplied by x will give us minus x. So 36 minus x will give us 35x. So I hope you've understand up to that particular point. Then from there we have a number minus 1 multiplied by which number gives us negative 6. So that one is plus 6. Then you put into bracket. Now here, now we have just written this maths the way it, when we open the bracket we'll end up with the number that we've done, but now we just have to simplify it. So let's work it out. So now we shall have 6x minus 1, then we put into bracket. Then now we shall select, now here we have 6 plus x plus 6, then here also x plus 6. So all of them shall also be x plus 6. So that is now becomes our correct answer. So if happens to multiply the two, we shall end up with the same answer, that is 6x squared plus 35x minus 6. So this one is how we simplify these numbers, or that is how we factorize this maths problem. So come with me to the next step, where now we shall be asked to factorize this maths problem here. So here we have 75x squared minus 27y squared. So in this case you are asked to factorize this maths problem. So how are we going to factorize this maths problem? So let's have our solution here. So this one is the solution that we are going to have. Then you are saying we have 75x squared minus 27y squared. So how do we factorize this? Now the first thing that you're going to do, we are going to work out it by using what is called the GCD. I hope you've learned what GCD is. GCD stands for the greatest common divisor of 75 and 27 alone. So we are going to find the GCD of these two numbers. So we are going to check a bigger number that can go to 75 and 27, and our bigger number in this case is 3. 3 goes into 75. How many times? It goes there 25 times. And 3 goes into 27. It gets there 9 times. So in short, in this case, there is no any other number that can go to 25 and 9 without a remainder. So meaning that our GCD is 3. So since our GCD is 3, so that 3 you shall treat that 3 here now. So 3 into the bracket, we have 25. So 25x squared, then minus 9. So and it was 9y squared. Then from there we close the bracket. Now as we all know, what we are left with is the 25x squared minus 9y squared. So we need to find the square root of 25x squared and also the square root of 9y squared. Now this one is what we already know. We already know that if we have a number like a minus b, then squared, this one shall be equals to a plus b into bracket a minus b, then we close the bracket. So since we know all that, then meaning that we need to find the square root of 25x squared minus 9y squared. So the square root of 25 is 5. So here now we shall have 3 into bracket, the square root of 25 is 5. Then the square root of x squared is x. Then minus here, the square root of 9 is 3. Then the square root of y squared is y. Then we close the bracket. So since we already have this, then the next, now this sign will change. So we shall have 5x plus 3y. Then that one we shall have such way. So our answer now is 3. So our final answer is this one. So we shall have 3 into bracket 5x minus 3y, close the bracket, 5x plus 3y. So that one now shall be our final answer. So if you have learned something, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. And also most importantly, do visiting our channel. I was your host. I was Teacher John. I'm a maths teacher by profession. So let us stop there, and most importantly, see you in our next video to learn more about some of the tips that will help you to improve your maths, or how you can improve on your math skill, and also how you can pass an exam and get a grade of A+ and above. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.